From schools to work to travel, the coronavirus pandemic has affected every aspect of our lives. For most families, adopting an effective social distancing plan has been easy, but it's much more challenging for parents who are divorced or separated. Here to explain how COVID-19 is affecting family law cases is Patrick Sampair of the Sampair Group. Great to see you. First off, tell us about your family law practice.
Susan, we've been in practice for over 30 years. I personally have practiced for 40 years. We do only family law cases, that'd be custody cases, parenting time, child support, and so forth. And I have 3 attorneys, and that's all we do. And we're very busy lately.
I can imagine. Is family court even open right now? And how is COVID-19 affecting pending family law cases?
The actual courthouse has been more or less closed for the last month and a half, except as to emergencies. But we are seeing them now taking more hearings here in May. And so it looks like the courthouse is going to open up, but primarily through video conferencing. And then as far as COVID-19 affecting family court cases, of course, it's hard to get into court anytime quickly. Everything's been pretty much delayed till the end of May or early June.
All right, so give us the recommendation. Should someone even attempt to file a new case right now or make a modification to their current case, or should we just wait till all this is over?
If you wait till all this is over, you're going to see a sea of filings, and you're going to be part of that sea, and you're going to be just like a drop in the ocean. It'll be hard to find you. I think you should file now, even if it takes an extra month or so to get into court, because you'll be ahead of that wave.
Video conferencing is really changing the family law court.
That's true. They're experimenting with it for the first time ever right now. I actually have a trial in 2 weeks through the video conference, and it will save clients a lot of money in the long run because lawyers won't have to go to court. They'll actually do it from their offices.
So for all of those parents who are in a situation where maybe they have children involved and there's custody issues, are parents required to follow the current parenting plan or court order? Or because of COVID-19, are they able to make any changes to visitation?
They are required to follow the current parenting plan order. It is an order of the court, and the court just recently reaffirmed that issue. However, I just mentioned that the court is open for emergencies, and this would be considered an emergency. If you feel that COVID-19 is going to have a negative effect on your child or the circumstances are going to be dangerous for your child, you can file an emergency order, and the court will hear that, likely video conference or phone hearing, to determine whether the parenting plan should be suspended during this period.
Yes, and unfortunately in your case, because everyone is spending a lot more time with their spouses, you might see a surge in divorce cases when this is all over.
Well, we talked about this before. Just imagine living for 7 weeks with someone you probably have not lived with for 7 weeks straight, ever, and it's somebody you don't like, or you're arguing with, or you're fighting with. It's going to be horrible. And when this pandemic finally eases and they start filing again, I believe there'll be a lot of filings with the courthouse.
Right, so get ahead of it and stay ahead of the game. Patrick, thank you so much for your time. We appreciate you. Great information. And the Sampair Group has a law office located on 75th Avenue in Glendale. If you would like to book an appointment, call 623-888-8661 or visit sampair.com for more information.